Today's video will review care and maintenance of your soft armor panels. To properly clean your panels, you will need water, cloth, and mild detergent if needed. Next, you will want to dampen the cloth and add a mild detergent if needed. Next, you will flip the panel over and repeat the same process on the other side. You will want to continue this process until both wear and strike face sides of both front and back panels are clean. Be sure and allow panels to air dry completely before reinserting into your carrier.